Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this A registration, so it's either 83 or 84. I'll confirm when I do the description. Ferrari Mondial QV in white with red leather. 2 videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, so we'll look around this A reg, so either 83 or 84. Ferrari Mondial QV Quattrovalvole. Finished in white with red leather. Apparently pretty rare in white, according to the last owner, and he may well be right. Just a really nice standard spec car. Take a quick walk around it. Very little to criticise on this car. It's really very nice indeed. Not even really much in the way of stone chips around the front end. I think it's done about 58,000 miles. It's just a polish mark there. Looking down the sides, it looks as straight as a die down there. Arches are nice. Wheels are in good shape. Has lost a bit of its paint off of the black on the window frame here. A bit there and a bit there. But otherwise spot on down there. Looking inside it, the interior is in fantastic order. Lovely red leather. I'll have a look in the history for where the stereo is, because it's obviously got a stereo, but we haven't got the face in the car. Can't find it, but I have got a massive amount of history, so hopefully it'll be in there. No, interior is absolutely first class on it. No scuffing on the driver's seat even. Headline is in good shape, although it's getting a bit dark, so you may not be able to see that, but it is very good, the headlining. We've got, what do we got here? Tiny chip in the paint just there, above the near side rear vent. A little bit more paint loss on the black just here. It's just a bit of dirt. Around the tail end, it's all rather lovely around there. We've got a chip in the paint just up here. In fact, that chip came off just when we were polishing it just now. So it's not an old one, it's just popped off now. Just on the offside rear quarter there. Offside rear wing is all very nice. So wheels are really good. There's no parking dinks anywhere. Anything I can find, a little tiny bit of bubbling just down here on the base of the offside front door. Just the offside door rather. No, that's all just marks. It's not marks, rather just a bit of fluff. Screen is nice. It's a top tint screen. Same scenario this side. Bit of paint just sort of flaking off of the screen surround, door surround trims up there, bit there, and a large bit just there, and a bit more just there. But no, she's a super example. Roof. What was that, a chip on the other side of the roof? Let's go around and have a look. Yeah, tiny little chip just there on the roof edge. But she's pretty good for its age. Anyway, I hope you like it. I do.